Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer like the one that you see right here that is not level or not leveling when using the stabilizer functionality. I'll be going over the easiest fixes in this very simplistic video tutorial. So once again, if your Osmo Mobile 6, like this one right here, is not level when using the stabilizer functionality, these are the easiest fixes. I'll be going over 7 of them that you can try out and hopefully they work for you. Let's get into this. I'm going to try and keep this relatively short and sweet because I'm running low on time and I don't want to blab on anyways, but I am running low on time and I got to film a couple more videos in a short time frame, so we're going to get through this in a timely manner. Number 1, and try these out at home, hopefully one of them works for you. Number 1, remove the phone from the clamp and recenter it. So essentially you're going to have a magnetic clamp and you're going to have your phone on that clamp. Remove your phone from the clamp completely, recenter it, put it back in there. You know, sometimes the phone moves over time. It shouldn't really do it, but sometimes it does if you're using it intensely with the gimbal. And other times, you know, some stuff can be caught behind the between the clamp and the phone. So just take the phone off the clamp and recenter it. Try it out. If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 2, which is to auto calibrate the gimbal. When you're in the DJI Mimo app, you can go to your menu and you can go to the gimbal options and click auto calibrate. It's going to ask you to place it on a flat surface with a tripod. It's going to do a couple movements and it will auto calibrate. That will usually solve the problem if it's not stabilizing and if you've already done the thing with the phone that I just talked about. If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 3. And I did a separate video on calibrating the gimbal, so look up that video separately. I go over all of the specific steps. I show you how to do within the app, but you know, it's really simple. Just basically go to the auto calibrate option within the gimbal options, within the menu, within the DJI Mimo app. Okay, so follow along with that. I know I speak fast, but you can slow it down and follow along. If that doesn't help you out, which was number 2, just to clarify, that was number 2, auto calibrate the gimbal itself within the app on your phone. If that doesn't help you out, just to keep myself on track, move on to number 3, which is to try using it on a flat surface. You know, maybe it just needs to be used on a flat surface to sort of calibrate itself and get its stability once again. So try using it on a flat surface instead of moving your hand around. If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 4, which is to move it around a bit deliberately. I don't mean wave it around like a flag, but literally, you know, go kind of like this, right? You know, I would recommend turning it off before you do this because you're going to get free movement. Go like this a little bit, move the 3 axes like this, you know, try it out, extend it, move it a little bit, put it back down, you know, alter the angle of this a little bit. Just try doing that because maybe there's something caught in there that's preventing it from leveling and stabilizing. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to number 5, which is to reset the Bluetooth connection. Really, really easy to do. You just press and hold down the switch button, the record button, and the trigger button all at one time for about 1 to 2 seconds, and it'll reset the Bluetooth connection, and then you can go ahead and connect it to Bluetooth again. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 6. No pun intended with the rhyme all the time, okay? Now, fix number 6, don't be afraid to pick up some sticks. Call all your friends with the name Nicks. I'm just joking, because I got a couple friends named Nick, so together they're Nicks. Anyways, actually, my neighbor's daughter, his name is Nix. So there you go. In case you're watching this, Nix, you're still, you know, you're still a kid, but in case you're watching this in the future, hey man, I gave you a shout out. There you go. My parents' neighbor's daughter, not where I live now, but like where my parents lived. A girl that I grew up with, oh my gosh, her daughter, her son, his name is Nix. I think I said her daughter. So my parents' neighbor, I moved out, she moved out. So we're no longer neighbors and she's no longer neighbors with my parents, but we were neighbors growing up. She has a son, his name is Nix. So number 6 is dedicated to Nix. All right, I haven't even dedicated any numbers to my own kids' names. So I'll be sure to shout out my own kids, Luke, Olivia, Claire, and Kate, and my beautiful wife, Kaya, in the future. Yes, I have 4 young kids. I actually had 4 kids, 4 and under when they were born because the youngest 2 are twins. So that was chaos, man. But you know what? They're a little bit older now, so it's you know, less chaotic, but still chaotic. Anyways, number 6, I said I would keep this short. Okay, number 6 is to try using a different phone. Maybe it's your phone that's the issue. Try using a different phone. And if that doesn't help you out, move on to number 7, which is to try using it without a Bluetooth connection. So believe it or not, you can use this without a Bluetooth connection. You need to have your phone mounted on the magnetic clamp, and the magnetic clamp needs to be on there, but you can use it without a Bluetooth connection, without the app. So you can still use it for its functionality, without using the app and without using the Bluetooth connection. Try it out. Maybe it's an issue with Bluetooth, maybe it's an issue with your phone. Give it a try. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.